Hey guys, geeking to everyone. Today I'm gonna tell you about my 1 month Python course, and today is day number 28. So let's check it out my plan. Day number 28, review and further exploration. Revisit concepts you found challenging and explore advanced topics. So actually today is the last day, day number 28. I recommend you to explore all my plan, all this plan. Yeah, and if you don't understand some topics, or if you have some question about topics, I recommend you dive deeper into the topics using ChatGPT, or you can use official resources in internet, or like alternative resources in internet, whatever. I recommend you to use ChatGPT plus alternative and official resources, because sometimes ChatGPT bot provides not really correct information. Yeah. Okay. But anyway, thank you for watching all my videos. And it was a new experience for me, and it was really interesting to use ChatGPT bot for learning Python. To create this 1 month course. And by this course, I show you how you can use ChatGPT, because it was really useful, really cool, and not complicated. So, thank you guys for watching my videos. Ciao, ciao.